Hello, my name is Mutiu.
And my name's Teddy, and we're both drivers here at Tilbury. Come follow us for a tour. We're now in the canteen here at Tilbury, where we have all of the necessities you need here as a driver. This is a lovely area for us in the mornings. A lot of drivers come in here first thing just for a catch-up, as well as having the all-important coffee and discussing what the routes are and the plans for the day ahead. So this is our dispatch area. This is our first port of call where we come here to download all of our digital taco cards.
From there, we'll go to our various cages to get our wheelbarrow and whatever thing we need to do for today and whatever tools we need to work for the day. Get what we need from our cage, then from there, we'll go straight to the truck. When you do your walk around, where you look at your lights, your signs, your tires and everything to make sure they are all right before you start. And if you have anything, you put it on the survey.
Now we're all loaded and the vehicle's checked. Now we can hit the road.
All right, thank you. Let's go. Bye.
First things first, we always park in a safe environment where we know where everything's coming from. From that point on, we bring down the tail lift, safely remove the load and the cargo.
Hello,
Again,
miss.
always
Thank
communicating
you.
whenever you're doing anything. Safely bring it over to the customer's house. Biggest tip is always have a big smile and have a big heart. Everybody's different and has different needs, and just be adaptable and flexible to those needs.
It's always good to have an easygoing colleague because we take too much time in the van not to smile and have some good conversations. Thank you everyone for joining us on our day. I hope you enjoy it and we hope to see you some other time. Thank you. Bye.